Hello friends, welcome back to Easy English with Komal. Today we are going to learn pronouns in English with simple tricks and examples. Let's start. So this is about pronoun. In this video we will learn some parts of pronoun. This is a part 1 and in next part we will cover all the types of pronouns. So first let's see what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun or instead of a noun. Instead of using a noun, what we do, we use a pronoun to avoid the repetition. Okay, so let's see the example. What is examples of this one? Let's see. Komal is a teacher. Komal teaches English. If we will speak in that, you can see in this sentence there is a repetitions of Komal and Komal again. So to avoid these repetition, we can use Komal is a teacher. She teaches English. So here we use in place of Komal she, because Komal is a girl. So for girl we use she pronoun. So this is called pronoun. So what is the trick to identify the pronoun? If a word replace a person, a place, animal or thing, it can be pronoun. Now pronoun is not only replace the person, it replace the place also, it replace the animal also, thing also. So this is called pronoun. So why do we use pronouns? As I told you, to avoid the repetitions, make sentences shorter, make English speaking easier. Yes, if we want to avoid the repetition, we can use the pronouns. It will helpful to us, and to make the sentence shorter also, because in place of using the name again and again, it makes the sentence shorter, and to make English speaking easier also, because it looks also not good when we repeat the names again and again. So let's see an example. Ria has a book. Ria reads Ria's book. So this not looks a good, and when we are speaking it also, it takes a times also. So in place of this one, what we can say, Ria has a book, she reads her book. So here she and her, these are the pronouns that take the place of Ria and Ria's. I hope this is clear to everyone. This is the very easy trick to remember it. Let's see the types of pronoun. In part 1, today we learn about personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Other types we will cover in part 2. So let's see. First, personal pronoun used for person and things. Now let's see the subject pronoun. We have a subject pronoun. Which one? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Here you know the first person, second person and third person. These all are in personal pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they are used as a subject. That is why they are called subject pronouns. So let's see the example. He is my brother. They are students. So what is the trick? Who is doing the action? That is subject pronoun. Yes, you can identify very easily about the subject pronoun. Who is doing the action? That is your subject pronoun. It is very easy trick to remember, to identify your subject pronouns. Next, let's see the part 2 of personal pronoun, that is object pronouns, used when the action is done to someone. Here we have to see subject pronoun was about when the action is doing. Who is doing the action? That is subject pronoun. And object pronoun use the action is done to someone. This was done to someone. And which are the object pronoun? Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. So what are the examples of this one? She helped me. I called him. So who received the action? That is called your object pronoun. Here you can see she helped me. To whom she helped me? Me, she helped me. So here is me is used as a object pronoun, as well as in the second also I called him. To whom I called him? I called him. So here also him is used as a object pronoun. Next we have a possessive pronouns. This pronoun shows the ownership, belongings. This pronoun shows us. So what are the possessive pronouns? Let's see. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. These are the possessive pronoun that shows the ownership, belongings. So let's see the example. This book is mine. That bag is hers. In these two sentences, mine and hers, they show the belongings. They show the ownership. So this is called the possessive pronoun. Let's see the trick of this one. Ask whose. If you will ask a question to your sentence, whose, then this is called possessive. You will answer the answer is possessive. Here you can see this book is mine. Whose book? Mine. So this is the easy trick to identify the possessive pronoun. Next, in this part we have a reflexive pronoun. This is used when the subject and object are same. When your subject is also same and when your object are the same, then we use the reflexive pronoun. Let's see the examples of this one. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. These are the reflexive pronoun. And let's see the examples of this one. I did it myself. She cooked food myself. Now you can see I. This reflexive pronoun I is a subject. So here myself is used as an object. I, myself. You should know this about it. I we used in my. She we used to convert in her. So here, because I is a subject and my is a object, that is a form of I. So here we will use I did it myself. So myself is your reflexive pronoun, and in the second sentence herself is a reflexive pronoun. So what is the trick to remember it? Same person does action and receives actions. That is called reflexive pronoun. You can see in this one, same person, I did it myself. I only did the same action, and the receives also myself. Myself means I only receive the actions. So this is the reflexive pronoun. Very easy trick to remember it. So I hope these three types clear to all of you. If any problem, please comment me for your doubts. I will clear your doubt also. So let's do the quick practice. Dash is my friend. First we have a dash is my friend. So which pronoun will be here? His or he. Second is this is dash, mine or me. Third is she, her, herself or her. Comment me the answer. Let's see how many answers will you able to solve it. Don't forget to comment your answers in the comment box. Okay, now part 2 coming next. Just see this one, practice this one, and in next part we will I will explain you demonstrative, interrogative, relative and indefinite pronoun. So practice daily, improve your English daily. So don't forget to practice, because practice makes a person perfect. So great jobs to friends. You have learned the basics of pronouns today. Keep learning, keep practicing and improve your English every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy English with Komal.